Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 Haripriya. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you on this one, Friday? Friday,
In my native place.
ah, I thought you were not feeling well because I sent you message. First day you were not there for 2 days. First day I sent you message. I thought she slept off because that was night time. Then the second day, then I thought second day you are not there Friday. Then I thought, oh, I think she is not well. Where is your native place, Saribia?
My
Mysore. Okay. Good. Acha, did you do this question? In 2 days, this JEE main exam is going to start, you know?
no, sir.
Do it now.
You didn't take class on Friday, sir.
No, because on Thursday I took class. On Friday, Kanishka was also not there. It messaged me, sir, not I won't be able to join the class today. I'm outside somewhere. And this Diva, she is having exams. So I did not take class on Friday. Yeah, Haripriya, after this in mathematics, what topic should we start? We have covered almost every topic, na?
Anything is fine.
But which topic we have not covered? Binomial theorem is over. Complex numbers did I do? No, na? Ah, complex numbers did we do it or not? Acha. Let me talk with the Kanishka because she said, sir, I'm having problem in limits, continuity, and differentiability. Limits and continuity. So
That's the next year, no, sir. Differentiality.
yeah, differentiability is there in the next year, but limits and continuity part comes in your class 11. Na? And the problem is if you are not comfortable with the limits, na, you will be having problem in differentiation part also. And differentiation is interrelated with the integration that you're going to study in class 12. So because Kanishka is having problem, we will start limits and limits continuity in the next class, and then after a few classes, then we'll go on to the complex number. Kanishka, did you solve this question? No. If you haven't done, do it now.
Will you be able to complete the portions before February 10?
Feb 10. Yes. Today is what? 19th January. Nah, it's easily it will be covered. Only two topics are left now. Complex number and this one. Limits. Or if you want complex, if we cover complex number first, it will be done earlier. Acha, complex number we have already done na, Haripriya, I think.
Yes, sir. I
Hmm.
don't know.
See this.
Yes, we have done, sir.
See, actually, Actually, I have done most of the part. But the coordinate geometry part of this one, we have done or not? No. Coordinate geometry part is to be done. See, if we see what we have completed. Permutation combination we have done. Complex number is done. Binomial theorem is done. Relation function we have done. What functions? Limits continuity we have done. Statistics we have. It's completed already. Coordinate geometry is fully over. Tell me what is left. Haripriya, do you have something? Some topic? Any topic that I am not able to recollect? Because as far as I know, I have come.
For us, there's like a quick introduction also for probability too.
Acha, that was that's very easy. That's one class only. Because in your because actual probability will be started in your class 12th. It's just the introduction, and in that introduction they'll tell you, they actually want you to know only one formula. What is probability? Probability is the uh, number of favorable event divided by total number of events. Just the application. Like that, 3D geometry is there. In 3D geometry, they have given only two things. One is your distance formula and one is your this one, section formula. Introduction to 3D geometry is also there. Don't worry, the syllabus is actually completed. Only, the few classes are there. These are very small topics. Your exam will start on Feb 10, na? Haripriya, when is your exam going to start?
February 10th. I think till February 20th I'll be writing exams. It's like we're having something called consolidations where you get to at least 4 to 5 chapters together.
Yeah, 4 to
Today
5
they'll
chapters.
do Today they'll do the synopsis and they'll give a worksheet. Tomorrow there'll be test on that.
Yeah, like that they will do it.
Like for Monday there'll be a test and then revision of another subject.
Okay.
And then we have grand meet on 30th Jan. And then it's like 1 to 10, I think they'll give us study holidays. And then from 10 to 20th, my exams will start.
Okay, but you will be comfortable, don't worry, because everything is covered, na? And
Yes,
if you want some one, if you have any topic in mind which you feel not comfortable or you're not able to solve problems in that, just identify and then tell me, message me. I'll make you practice that one. Like Kanishka also told me, na, Kanishka is not comfortable in limits and continuity. I think she was not there in the class when I covered it. Na, you were there because that another boy was there. Na, what was his name? I forgot. Shama. Shama was there. With that, I have covered. But Kanishka joined late. That's why she's not comfortable. So let's solve some questions on this. I'll do one thing. I'll take this one, then I'll take the probability one. Because it's very small. Probability, basic introduction to probability, basic introduction to 3D geometry, that I'll cover because it's one class only. 1 1 2 2 class. One at max 2. Then after that we'll comfortably move on to this limits practice. Limits and continuity that Kanishka is not comfortable with. Kanishka, when is your exam? Final examination of 11?
So it's on 16 February.
Okay, yeah, then time is there. So much time. This is a different kind of question, you know. Mean and standard deviation of following cumulative data they are asking. You have to make a table, means it's actually of the ranges. Means when we talk about the class interval will be like 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, like that. Because wages, they have asked the wages up to rupees, wages 0 to 15 and up to from 15 to 30, like that. Oh, the value will be in point. Calculations are becoming very long, na? Hmm. I think they will actually. This is a CBSE board examination type question, na? So they will be allowing you to use the calculator. The total sum will be no actually see actually there is one more difference here. Fi will not be this. This is the cumulative frequency they have given. The number of workers now from for wages up to 15 they have given. Wages up to 30 they have given. So up to 30 means it will include the wages of 15 workers also. So for the range 50 to 30, see, I think you would have done this mistake. What I am saying now, Fi will be 12 for this, but for this 30 minus 12, it should be 18. 65 minus 30 should be 35. 107 minus 65, 42. 157 minus 107, 40. अरे 50, 50. 202 minus 157, 45. 222 minus 202, it should be 20. And 230 minus 222, 8. These are the value of frequencies, but the cumulative frequency you'll get is 230, the sum of all. Sigma Fi. If anyone has doubt in this, you can ask me here. This question is somewhat, it's not Simple one, just the given data. You have to apply your mind. This is actually lengthy. You can use a calculator. It's very lengthy question. You have to do the calculations, very lengthy calculations. Repeat, did you find out this FIXI square?
No, sir, I had to do it all over again. I had forgotten that it was
Don't do it. Don't do it. What I'm saying is, see, Kanishka, you also don't do it. Just understand what I was doing, because calculation will take lots of time. You can do it in the examination. Don't worry. In the examination, you will be using calculator. In the JEE main anyway, they won't ask this kind of questions. So just remember, see what I wanted to show you through this question. Now, whenever actually the question will look like it is simple one, but you have to understand they're not just the reference numbers. Wages 15, 30, 45. You have to understand it's given wages up to. So you have to complete this table, convert this table into proper this one, proper table, proper data. Wages up to 15 means 0 to 15. Wages 0, 1, 2 up to 15. And number of workers there are 12. And wages up to 30 means the next interval will be for 15 to 13. Wages 15 to 13. 15 to 30. For that, how many workers will be there? 30 minus 12. Because 30 workers are there up to 30. And up to 15, 20 workers are 12 workers are there. So remaining workers are in the range of 15 to 30. So you have to convert this into that one. Accordingly, frequencies will be, I have calculated. Then for the range distribution, I have told you have to find out the xi value, which is the midpoint of the range. And then you have to apply in this formula. I have written fix square. No? This one you have to calculate, sum them all. And sigma fi is actually 230, the sum of all those frequencies. And then put in the formula, you'll get sigma square, which is your variance. Which is your variance, and root it, you'll get the standard deviation. Anyway, if you want to do the calculation at home, you can do it. The answer I'm writing, you can just check the answer at home, but I know you won't be doing it. Variance is 669.465, and standard deviation, that is your sigma, is square root of it, which is 25.87. These are the answers that you'll be getting. Okay, it was very lengthy, but the process, just to show you the process, I have given this question. Let's call a simple one only. Haripriya, did you teach other things also in this one, like quartiles and all?
Yes, the variance and standard deviations were last.
Only, na? Because there are actually, when we talk about this one, there are actually many different things, like quartiles and for different datas. But that they used to ask earlier in JE Advanced, that now they have removed it also. So let me give you one question. It was asked in JEE 1979. Nowadays, don't worry, nowadays they are not asking questions from this one, statistics and all. It's only for your boards, class 11. Haripriya, Kanishka, you are able to get the idea how to solve this one? Correct. Just tell me what is the correct mean you get. Mean you will be getting easily. See, let me solve for you. You get the idea. It was asked in JE. During that time, these questions were asked for the 4 or 5 marks. Sometimes it was asked for the 10 or 12 marks. For the first part, in calculating the mean and variance of 10 readings, student wrongly wrote the figure 52 for the correct figure of 25. Acha, let the observations be x1, x2, x3 up to x9. Now x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x9 plus, now we use the figure 52, plus 52 divided by 10 is equal to 45. It's given. Correct mean they're asking. Now the correct mean will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 x9, because correct value, 10th observation, correct observation is 25, whole divided by 10 they're asking. So from this we'll calculate sigma x, which is right in the simple way. It's x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x9 is equal to 450 minus 52. So that will be 450 minus 52 is what? 398. So this value I'll put here. 398 plus 25 by 10 will get the value, which is 423 by 10, 42.3. This is the correct mean. This was easy to calculate. I expect up to this part you must have done. Haripriya, could you do it? Till here?
Yes, sir.
This part was easy. But now how to do for the variance? Because for the variance you will be getting the difficult equation. Like equation that you will be using is sigma xi minus x bar. Sigma xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. That's the variance. Now for the incorrect variance, if we talk about incorrect variance, it will be xi minus x bar is what? X bar is 45 divided by total observations were 10. Variance we are getting is 16. Now the correct variance is what? Sigma xi minus, problem is here, 42.3 whole square by 10. Now how to get this value? Here comes the calculation part. You have to simplify this. It will become xi minus 45 whole square is equal to 160. First equation, this equation I am solving. So sigma xi square minus 90xi plus 45 square is equal to 160. It will be sigma xi square minus 90 into sigma xi is equal to 160 minus 45 square. This you have to make use of, because you know what is the sigma xi in this case. Xi up to where we are going? All observations, no? No, wait. Let's do up to. Achha, let's do one more thing. Let us do it up to ninth observation, 1 to 9. Then we have to minus what was when we were calculating the incorrect one. We were using the 52 figure, na? So 52 minus 45 whole square, that we'll do. So what we are getting here, and the sigma up to 9, sum of this is 398. So sigma xi square minus 90 into 398 is equal to, I'm getting 160 minus 45 square minus 7 square. Sigma xi square you can get, it is 160 minus 45 square minus 49 plus 90 into 398. Okay, you have got one value. Now this you will be using here. Again, you have to use this up to 9, 1 to 9. Achha, 1 to 10 this is. So actually the correct final observation was 25. So this will be equal to sigma 1 to 9 xi minus 42.3 whole square plus 25 minus 42.3 whole square whole divided by 10. This will be what? Sigma 1 to 9 xi square minus 2 into 42.3 sigma 1 to 9 xi plus 42.3 whole square. I did some mistake or what? 45 square into 9 also I have to do, na? This is added for 45 times into 9 also will be done. Now correct. Into 9 plus 25 minus 42.3. whole square whole divided by whole divided by 10. This value you have to put. Again, this value you already know. This value is 398 because you have calculated. And this value you have got it from here. Put these value and get the variance, new variance. What Haripriya understood? Haripriya, Kanishka, you understood or not?
Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
calculating mean was easy. It's J advanced question, but it's lengthy one. But don't worry, at that time, na, they used to give calculators. During 1979, those times they used to give calculator for solving questions. Don't think you have to do this calculation using your mental calculation only. It's not needed. But how we do it? Like this. Just for the sake of practice, I have given the good question. Solve it and then give me the answer. What answer you are getting? You can use calculator if you want. The value of sigma xi square that you will be getting from here, na, it will be 17706. And this value you will be putting here, 17706. This value is 398. So when you will calculate it, you should be getting the answer as 43.81. This is your correct variance. With this, your statistics is also over. In the next class, I'll be starting the basics of probability, and then we'll do some questions on that, and then in the next class we'll do basics of this introduction to 3D geometry, and then we'll practice limits and continuity and teach the concepts. Okay, let's end it. You got the answer now? Understood? Kanishka, okay?
Okay, sir.
Haripriya, okay na?
Yes.
Oh, okay, let's send it.